Well, we are here at the AI India Summit 2026 in the national capital. Since day one of the summit, we are witnessing several such transformations, innovation ideas in the field of agriculture, technology, aerospace, defense. But one sector which literally AI can transform and help people across the country is health, and one such outlet where I am standing is Big O Health here at the hall number 6 of Bharat Mandapam, and the co-founders of Big O Health, Mr. Gaurav Kumar and Mr. Shreyas is with me. They have developed an app called Big O Health that particularly concentrates on lung cancer or the cancer diseases and all. I'll directly speak to them as to what made them think of an idea to build such an app which people can directly access to and have a very ease to find out what's a disease and how it can be cured and what needs to be told to the doctor. Gaurav, thank you so much for speaking to NDTV. First of all, tell us how this journey began. What came to your mind, the idea of creating this app that is dedicated to cancer?
So thanks Aswarya for the kind mention. It was a great pleasure to present Bigo Health at the India AI Summit 2026. So I and Subhami both met in college and we are doing something in the healthcare. But in 2023, when my mom grappled with the gallbladder carcinoma stage 4, we all Indians do the same thing. Visit multiple hospital, multiple doctor consultation, and one hospital called Makkah of Cancer. I also visited that. So from the Delhi, I flew to Bombay, and the doctor concluded the consultation in the 30 second. Love, care, and family. You have only 3 months spent with your mom. So just imagine at that time I was only 27, my mom was 49, and I was hearing that word. No one can hear about his family, especially for mother. So I was shivering and came outside, and these guys think that I came there for some papers or some reports. But I said to them, this is the situation. And that, and post that, I did all my efforts, and guess what? My mom survived for the next 2 years. From
So
three
what
months,
doctors told you is that just your mother has 3 months
3 months.
and she survived for 2 years.
Because I didn't lose hope there. I keep on fighting and finding the right doctor who are right for. I find a doctor because I work in the healthcare background, so I have connection and privilege enough. But not all the population in India, especially in tier 3, tier 4 town, has that much privilege to get. But once, just imagine, from my perspective, I was getting consultation with the India's top oncologist, and he said that what if I lose hope and come back and start spending time with my family, right? But the next 2 years, then the another challenge happened. You know, uh, we went to the one of the leading hospital in Delhi, in Saket, and the doctor said no, at this stage surgery can't happen. It's stage 4, already aspirated to liver, and you have only one option, that chemotherapy, 6 lakh rupees per month. And you guess my mom's surgery happened. Guess where? It's up to you. Guess where?
Some of the leading hospitals, I guess.
In the same hospital, but in the different department, because we are approaching the wrong department. We are approaching the general surgical oncology.
So
But
that's the difficulty that every one faces whenever there is a health treatment goes on. Which doctor to go, which department, what particular surgery needs to be operated, and therefore this Big O Health that they have launched. What this, in a simple words, app does, and how AI is involved in this particular.
so first of all, this our app help you to find the right doctor at the right time. Second, this is the first challenge in the cancer. Second, in the cancer, patient accumulate with 1,000 to 2,000 pages of reports. Because every month they have a blood report, biopsy, CT scan, PET scan, multiple scans, molecular thing, the liquid biopsy is there, multiple, and it's very hard to reconnect the things, because you are focusing on the patient, not on the report side. And if you go to the every time you visit a doctor and doctor asks you for the previous report, and before doctor, people fight, the family fight. Also, people feel depressed. Oh, am I doing the right thing for my family? Am I doing the, is any report is missing or not? So everything, so people ingest everything on the platform.
And
And
how accurate is it? Before we go into this app, how accurate it is for a normal person to use this app and to believe on this app?
yeah,
Because there are many sayings that AI might be wrong.
yeah.
So how accurate it is?
So our platform is trained on the Indian cancer data set, right? And it's validated by the India's leading oncologist. we are working very closely with the 4 oncologists who are guiding us. Also, whatever the data we are taking and the outputs we are providing is validated by the doctors. So our system as of now, we have piloted with the 500 plus patient. Our system is doing fine. With time, it's also improving. Yeah.
So it all started.
Accuracy is a bit tricky here because we are not doing any clinical decision making. Okay,
As of
people
now.
as of now, so people are uploading their own reports, and we are tagging the report, taking date from there. And the one thing which we are doing is creation of one pager. It would be a single page where it would give you a snapshot of entire treatment journey. But this is
Timeline of the-
yeah, for the timeline of the treatment, but this is for the clinicians, so this can be validated by the clinicians. So patient, for the patient part, accuracy is not that a problem here as such. Yeah.
In a short glimpse, if you can tell us how this app works.
Yeah. So this is where you click the app and you can upload anything, right? You do not have to talk about the naming. It's all the things you can upload here. And just select and upload. It will automatically detects what kind of report it is, what is the date, and what is the timeline, right? And let's say it cancer, these reports are being built for the doctors, not for the layman. You and I cannot understand these reports, but a clinician can understand in the 10 seconds. But we suggest what this mean, what are the key findings, what question you should ask for this report to your doctor.
Okay,
So
for the
basically,
layman.
for the layman, basically we are empowering the patient to get the right treatment. Right. Also, based on these 100 reports or the 200 reports, we are creating a one-pager summary because in India, doctors are overwhelmed. If you go any hospital, either private setting or the public setting, doctors see a lot of patients. Doctors have a waiting, so they barely spend time on the patient because they have to see all the reports. So our system gives a whole story of the patient.
Gaurav, one thing, if there is some patient or in my family suffering from cancer for a very long time, now I have almost 100 to 200 pages of documents of the timeline of the treatment that he or she has taken. If I have uploaded something wrong or it goes wrong, does this app help?
This is our intelligence system. That this is where AI comes. If you see here, there is the patient name is Nutan Kumari. The report is of the Nutan Kumari, and but if you report any other report like your selfie, people upload selfie just to check. It automatically detects not a medical report. If you click here, we have just tested here at the Bharat Mandapam. It's the AI Summit report, and it's coming into the failed reports. Also, the if you see this report, the patient name is here
Something else.
something else, and it clearly says the patient name doesn't match. So it will not come on your treatment timeline. So this will not going to impact your treatment because cancer is a
You say it's a wrong.
yeah, it's a wrong report.
There can be cases where more than one family member has cancer, you know. So, and you may be the only caregiver, and your parents, both mom and dad, maybe have the cancer. So we sort of understood this intuitively that we need to build this so that maybe you may upload your mom's report because of the.
And as a layman, I have another question to you. There are hundreds and thousands of hospitals across the country. They all give a different estimation of the budget of a treatment. What is right for me? Does this helps in that as well?
For the budget part, this app particularly doesn't help. But we have our own, for example, tumor board. We have created our own virtual tumor board where we have like 6 departments of the doctors who sit together and discuss your case and give you a case summary that what should your treatment plan look like. For example, at Bigo Health, we have collaborated with one of the hospitals in Delhi which provide treatment for cancer through Ayushman Bharat also. So we are working hard with our doctors and with our team so that we can provide service to all kind of patients.
Brilliant. It's brilliant. AI is helping people in the field of healthcare as well, and that's Big O Health is clearly.
One pager summary that I showed to you. It also detects what is the critical gaps in your report. Either the patient has not uploaded the report or he has not get tested for that, and that is crucial for this kind of patient because cancer is not like a fever or the cold cough that is seasonal. It's a very personalized. Every patient, every DNA is different. So for that patient, what is important for you? It basically our system tells the patient so that they can ask and question their clinicians. Okay, am I required this test, right?
अच्छा जब आप के मदर एडमिट थी उस टाइम पर आप एजुकेशन ले रहे थे
No, no, I just graduated and we are working, building a platform, Bigo Health, where we used to facilitate doctor appointment in tier 3, tier 4 towns.
क्या क्या कहाँ से आपने एजुकेशन?
So we did education from a private college in Delhi, and later on, during our engineering, we got incubated at American Embassy, that is the Nexus incubator. From there, we got the training from the University of Texas, and finally the incubation center IIT Patna is India's medical incubation. So we applied there and we got selected. And later on, government of India also supported us, and various institutions across the country has supported us in this journey.
A person who has faced a personal problem with his mother facing cancer to making an app which can help thousands of people across the country. This app is available online.
Yes, it's available on the Google Play Store and it will come on the App Store this week only.
So both on Android and iOS, this app is available. Certainly a big change that any individual can get through this Bigo Health, which is another sort of AI-driven healthcare service, which can which people can easily have an access to. This is one of the inspiring stories that we are getting from the AI India Summit as well. We have seen different innovations, ideas in different fields, but certainly in healthcare, this can have a huge impact as far as cancer is concerned. This is Ashwarajan reporting for NDTV in Delhi.